Hello and welcome back to Not a Watch Snob. I'm your host, Bada Bill, and we're gonna be talking about Invicta. Stay tuned, or else.
Hey, you fat Irish prick, you put my f***ing money to sleep. You go get my money or I'll put your f***ing brain to sleep.
If you like pina coladas and getting caught in the rain.
The watch we are reviewing today is the Invicta Specialty Casino Automatic. The history of Invicta are as follows. Invicta Watch Group began as a Swiss watch company in 1837. It was founded by Raphael Picard in Les Champs-de-Fonds, Switzerland. It was re-established in 1991 when the brand was acquired by an American company. The corporate headquarters of Invicta are now located in Hollywood, Florida, and most of their once beautiful Swiss movements are now made in Japan. However, there is a slight problem. Invicta's overinflated MSRP, and I got fooled by it. Here's how. If you're looking to buy an Invicta like this, do not buy one in the store. Only buy online or used. I bought this watch on a cruise for around $500 as a gift to my dad, and I slowly found out when I got to port that it was only $100 on Amazon. So just make sure you shop around when you're looking for Invicta because there's such an inflated MSRP that just makes no sense. The specs of this watch are as follows. The movement is a Japanese TMI NH35 automatic. The case measurement is 52mm diameter, 17mm thick, and the band width is 22mm. The case material is stainless steel, its bezel is fixed, its crystal is flame fusion crystal. I believe that's their own version of sapphire, but just not as nice. It features a deployment buckle on the clasp, a push-pull crown, and a water resistance of 100 meters, or 330 feet. This watch weighs approximately 10 ounces. The pros and cons of this watch are as follows. Let's start off with a pro and a con. This watch is an attention getter. It's so flamboyant and it just matches my personality to the T. However, to some people, this may also be a turnoff if you really just want a plain and simple watch. A pro, though, is that it is so cool to admire and wear, and it's just a perfect special occasion watch. I mean, whenever you go into a casino, if you're rocking this watch, it is just perfect to look down while you're playing roulette and play along with it. So I just think that it's a really cool specialty watch. A con, though, is that it is way too big. Holy shit. 52mm, that is outrageously big. And I have a 7.5-inch wrist, and it even looks big on my wrist. A pro is that I have to give Invicta credit on attention to details, from the numbers on the number wheel all the way down to the ball as a second hand. This watch is really, really cool. I mean, they did an amazing job outlining everything in gold, making sure every applied marker shines under the correct light, and then that gold and green combo is just absolutely gorgeous. A con, though, is that it is way too big. One of the pros, though, is that it actually has an open case back with a semi-decorated movement. I love the signature from the, CEO or whoever it is. And I just think that they did a really good job with the case back on this watch. It's got that bright yellow rotor that Invicta's been famous for the past few years now. My last con, though, is that it's way too big.
And I get it!
That's what she said. Never to me.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again.
So, is this watch worth it? Well, for the $150 price tag, I would say yes. If you are into flamboyant, if you're into something that is going to spice up your collection, this is a really nice timepiece. I mean, yeah, it's a little gaudy, and yeah, I mean, you kind of look like you want to be a rapper while wearing it, but I truly think that, this is a perfect special occasion watch that you could just have in your collection for a pretty cheap price that you can really, really show off and enjoy. Don't forget, if you're liking these videos, feel free to like, comment, subscribe. It really helps out the channel, and I really appreciate it. And remember, I'm not a watch snob, and neither are you. Thank you.